This is the teacher overview for Unit 6, Module 3, Session 3, Metric Rectangles. For this session, you're going to need a couple of papers, which I'll go over in a moment, but you will also need to have your place value, what are these thingies called? These little place value things ready. Okay. The goal of this lesson is to help the students differentiate between area and perimeter and understand how they're related as well as how they're different. So you're going to start out by showing them, you'll be using these the whole time, so showing them just 1 centimeter wide by 1 centimeter wide, one of those little ones, as well as using this to be able to understand that this is 10 long by 1 wide, and helping them see that the area and the perimeter are related because of the length of the sides and having to use those, but the perimeter would be 22 centimeters, whereas the area would be 10. You're really wanting them to organically understand how to come up with the formula for perimeter, and they should have already been exposed to the area formula in previous lessons, but if they haven't, they might also be going over that. So to get started, they'll look at this page of metric rectangles and they will decide which one has the smallest area and which one might have the largest area, and they'll put them in order there. This is just an educated guess. At that point, you will be going through the problem and investigations with them, and one of the things that you need to make sure to do is have them measure the different things with their little linear strips. So, for example, this one would look like this. So the area would be 60 because we have 3 and 3. After that, you want them to be able to relate that this, I could use the fact that I know that this is 60 over here as well, because this one is double the 60. So if you were to move this down, you would have 60 and 60, 120. So just being able to see these larger arrays as two small arrays is a huge part of this. So for example, here we have 60, and having them be able to see, oh yeah, well here I have 6 and here I have 6, so I could have two smaller arrays. That's kind of the idea behind the whole process. You'll go through looking at different ways that the kids came up with the areas. They may be counting by tens, they may be adding, multiplying. We would hope that most of the kids by this point are understanding that you multiply the length times the width. And after that, you'll go through to the point at the end where you're hoping that all the students understand that area equals length times width, and that will be the end.